Yo guys, and welcome back to this new stream here right now on the channel. And let me do some quick checkups once again here if everything is working. I had some technical issues once again with starting up the stream here, but right now everything should be working correctly and the stream should be up and running right now here. So guys, thank you so much for once again tuning in to this amazing new stream here on the channel. On today's stream, we're going to discuss, of course, once again the breakout that we're currently seeing. And like I currently, of course, earlier today announced to everyone, is that I will be going live once again if we're going to see some interesting price action. And yes, we have been clearly seeing the price increase further on towards the upside, and right now it looks to be that we are, of course, trading at way higher levels. So let me go right away in towards the price section without further ado, because we can be talking about these things the whole day, but let's go right away into the price section. So guys, let's go once again. Let's tune in towards the price action right now, and let's look at the trade real quickly before going into all the technical analysis and all the things that we should be paying attention towards right now here, since I already on my Twitter page announced that I was going to take and approximately 20% out of my trade. I already took some profits right now here, a little bit less than 20% here, 14% of my trade I already took out, and right now we start to even increase further in valuation. So right now approximately 2.6 thousand US dollars in profit. My stop loss is as well in profit right now here, and we have been expecting this huge pump towards the upside already earlier today as well on Bitcoin, like we have been addressing in all our videos today here. So no, I am not a bull because we're pumping. No, I'm a bull right now because I expected that we were seeing a pump towards the upside. So let me know how you guys are right now doing here. Let me see what we are having as well with Bitcoin. So yeah, Ethereum looks to be like we discussed earlier on today here. I will be not going so much in depth about the 4 hourly candles right now. I will be ready to look at the 1 hourly candles in a second here. But yeah, like discussed, of course, we have been seeing a very significant breakout of this falling wedge. We started to move up here. We had a perfect retest of our previous resistance, flipping it into support. After that, we of course moved up further, and right now we're finally seeing higher targets getting reached here. And of course, our price target sitting around to 3,350 US dollars, and right now we are of course, let me see how much percentage, how much dollar we're away from it. We're currently 121 US dollars away from it. And let me know what the chat is saying here. You guys are saying let's go here. Everyone is saying let's go. Some people are saying I already took my profit. I will be at least sticking to my strategy, because otherwise it's usually not worth the risk that you're taking in terms of the rewards here. So yes, I am right now closing in my risk here, and how I'm currently doing it is by, of course, putting my stop loss in profit. And right now I have literally no risk. I am trading risk free. I as well already took out some profits at least. So if we're going to decrease back towards my entry price, I'll be first of all kicked out of my stop loss and still have profits. And I already took some minor profits here while we were trading on the 3,230 US dollars. So that is at least my strategy right here. I will be sticking with it, but as well, maybe my analysis, maybe I can be thinking, okay, we want to be getting a little bit more cautious if we're going to look at Bitcoin, of course, because Bitcoin is going to be a very important player in this game right now here. So let me quickly load up Bitcoin here, and let me look and discuss the chart of Bitcoin as well over here. So let me reload this page real quickly. Not willing to really load over here, what is of course quite unfortunate, but we are back again. So what we can see right now on Bitcoin is pretty interesting. Bitcoin of course start to see a very bullish candle towards the upside, like we expected. Since the momentum was once again running up, we can be expecting a push towards the upside, and that's exactly what we were seeing. We were seeing the momentum shifting back up, the momentum flipping bullish, and as soon as the momentum flips bullish, you want to be getting bullish on the Bitcoin price action as well. And that's the exact thing that we are right now seeing here. So that's pretty exciting, of course, to have. As well, we're going to go to the 4 hourly candles. It looks to be that we could be maybe running in towards some resistance right now on this level of resistance over here on the top side. So this could be a major level of rejection for Bitcoin. We could be maybe, of course, still trading in this parallel channel like we adjusted earlier today. Let me get in parallel channel. So we could be maybe looking at this important upper sloping support line and this parallel channel. And this upper sloping support line is of course a level that you should be paying attention towards. And this could be as well for sure be an extreme level of resistance for Bitcoin. And that is also the thing that I'm right now trying to say here. Yes, you want to be getting very careful right now here. Yes, we have been seeing a very beautiful pump towards the upside, but please be careful, because we could be literally as well see another very significant correction from here on towards the downside getting created here. So yeah, I will be partially taking more profits along the way up here. Maybe I will be already closing 50% in right now here. I will be discussing it in this stream, and I will be trying to do it live as well here to show you guys how transparent I really am here, of course. So yeah, it looks to be a previous extreme strong support. And let me remove the parallel channel for a second here before going back into ours. So you can see this level of previous support we have been touching this level several times. So support, 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 and here right now we are retesting it. And since we have been, of course, falling below it, and right now we're going to retest it, it's not going to be retested as support, of course. No, it's going to get retested as resistance. So this is going to be an extreme important level to pay attention towards. We are literally 1 hour away before closing this 4-hourly candle right now, and this could be for sure a very, very important candle that we have to be closing here on. So yeah, this could be for sure be a minor trap here. And you have to know here, right now, I want to be still raising the awareness. We are clearly still in a downtrend. Bitcoin has been forming lower high after lower high. And this is, of course, making me feel a little bit bearish on the market. But still, of course, I'm very glad that I took this long position towards the upside. But maybe I will be already closing my whole position right now here, since I am getting a little bit scared if I look to Bitcoin, of course, right now here. And technically, if I want to be as a very realistic trader, I want to be taking some profits right now here. So that's exactly what I will be doing here in a moment. Since yeah, Bitcoin is clearly, of course, still on a downtrend, but yeah, we were seeing some reversal signals getting created here on the MACD. Like I told everyone earlier today already, the MACD was, of course, flipping pretty bullish right there. Since seeing that divergence on the MACD, it was signifying, okay, we could be seeing a trend reversal. So, yeah, for sure, this trend reversal can be playing out here right now as well, guys. In exactly 30 seconds, we're about to print another new 1-hourly candles. Another new 1-hourly candle. We are as well running into our 1-hourly resistance. So, we are not breaking through this level yet here. We could be seeing another pump on the next 1-hourly candle print here. So, make sure that you're going to pay attention right now towards it. But the 4-hourly candle is going to be, of course, the most important candle close here. So the 1-hourly candles is going to right now get close at previous support right now, of course, resistance. So this is going to be a very important candle close for Bitcoin, and let's see how this will be reacting. Of course, Bitcoin closed and opened a new 1-hourly candle, and let's see if we can be right away see another big green spike towards the upside. Because usually if you're printing a new 1-hourly candle, you are seeing a lot of volatility entering the market, and that is exactly what you can see right now here. We're already starting to move up once again here. Ethereum as well trading at right at $3,238 once again. And we are moving up very quickly once again. So it looks, of course, very beautiful. And as a perspective from my trading perspective, it looks yeah, beautiful, of course, to see how it is right now playing out here. So 48.3k right now here, guys. Make sure to, by the way, smash up the likes here. I don't know how much likes we currently have here, but make sure that you're going to smash up the likes here. We're watching right now with 328 people. The more people that are going to like this video, the more viral cryptocurrency videos are going to go here on the crypto space here. So make sure that you're already going to smash it up here. It will be truly amazing if you're going to do so, since earlier today we have been exactly announcing that we were opening this trade. And of course, this is as well a trade that we could have been taking altogether. And I saw already I already saw a lot of people joining me with this trade, so it's absolutely amazing to see here, and I definitely can't wait. People are saying don't sell, bullish. Yeah, indeed, I am pretty bullish right now here, but I am getting a little bit scared if I'm looking to the Bitcoin price action. That's the only thing that I'm right now saying here, and I definitely don't want to be attaching my emotions to trading, and that is the reason why it is sometimes good to take already some profits out if you're reaching these critical levels of resistance, of course. So yeah, looking forward towards it as well. The next 1 hour is going to be extremely important, since this next 1 hourly candle close is going to be as well. The next 1 hour is going to be as well the 4-hourly candle close here, and the 4-hourly candle close is going to be a very important one. Is Ethereum going to break above this critical level of resistance over here, since this level over here has been providing us several times? If we're going to go back in towards the past, you can see this level over here provided this very strong resistance, support over here as well, resistance, support, here, resistance, and another time resistance. So this level is going to be extremely important for Ethereum and for all the Ethereum holders out there, because if we are going to fail to hold not on towards this level, and if we're going to fail to not break through this level on the 4-hourly candles, we're first of all going to set a lower high once again, and this is going to be bearish. But as soon as we are going to close this 4-hourly candle above this orange box here, we're right away going to set a higher high on the price action, and we are going to form, and yeah, of course, a bullish market structure, because you want to be seeing higher highs getting formed and not lower highs. Because if we're going to create a wick on this candle, we are going to look quite bearish right now. But we are even moving up further in years. $3,242 right now here, approximately once again $3,000 in profit. Already took out 15% on my trade early on, guys. We have been absolutely crushing it. Make sure that you're going to smash a like here for good faith here, for if you're as well in the trade. It will be amazing. So already 83 likes in, absolutely amazing. Bitcoin coming to 53k, that will be truly amazing if we can see that playing out right now. So Bitcoin is right now leading the way, to be very honest. Let me go back to the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. since the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation is going to be a very important valuation to discuss here. You can see we even broke through more resistance over here. Right now, let me get the right chart in front of me. I think it was this chart, but it has to load up. Yeah, guys, as well, this chart is very important to look at. This is going to close as well in exactly 56 minutes from now on. And if you're looking to this chart, you want to be paying, of course, all your attention to the chart right now here, because this is the valuation from Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. And right now it looks to be, well, Ethereum is even pumping further on, guys. It looks to be that we're right now seeing a downward slope resistance line getting formed over here, and as well an upward sloping support line. These lines coming together, and this is of course resulting in a symmetrical triangle. This symmetrical triangle is right now breaking towards the upside, and this is of course has a price target range to 0.06.9% here of a Bitcoin valuation, and that means that still Ethereum is going to probably outperform Bitcoin with another 2.7% here. So we already are starting to move up further. Excuse me so much, but it looks to be that we even have more steam here in the coming hours here for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, Ethereum is showing a lot of strength right now to us, and you can clearly see it right now as well in Ethereum valuation. We are taking out more territory compared to Bitcoin, and I definitely can't wait to see how this is going to result. So let me see what you guys are saying here. Let's wait till the 3,300 US dollars. I mean, it really depends on your strategy. Personally, I already took some profits out. I shoot for sure for all the people out there, for all the people that join me on this trade, because we of course announced this this trade here on the channel. For all the people that joined this trade, make sure first of all that you are going to set your stop loss in profit. That's going to be one of the most important things that you should be doing right now. And let me quickly check on this as well. I'm doing several things at the same time, guys, but for all the people that joined the trade, the first thing that you're going to want to be doing here is set a stop loss and set it in profit. Because if we're not going to do that, you're going to go to Wreck City, and that is not part of our strategy, at least. My strategy is not going to go back to Wreck City. My strategy is here to crush the market and crush the opposition and absolutely skyrocket our portfolio, of course, because my strategy here is to gain more and more and more every single minute. And I'm writing quickly as well, checking up on my portfolio, and it's doing very well here. I'm checking up my portfolio very a lot of times, of course, like you're probably doing yourself as well. But since we are pumping even further, it's looking very beautiful. And let me as well catch back here on the stream here. So someone is saying, yes, I made $500 US. Thank you, Rover. This is absolutely what I love to hear. This is exactly what I love to hear. And I see this is better here. I have my second stream right now here, and my chat is right now finally working here. So someone is saying trend is broken. Guys, I want to be raising the awareness. The next 54 minutes is going to be extremely important, because this is going to be the 4-hourly close, and this 4-hourly close is going to be crucial for not only Ethereum but as well for Bitcoin. It's going to be crucial for both Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we should be paying our attention right now towards it. So guys, for everyone who's right now watching, make sure that you're going to smash up the likes here, because if we can be reaching, I will be setting a goal in a second, but if we can be reaching a certain amount of likes here, I will be for sure witnessing this 4-hourly candle close all together with you guys out there. So it will be truly amazing if you right now will be smashing up that like button, and we will be setting a goal in a second here. I made 1K thanks to you, Rover. Absolutely legend. I mean, guys, this is absolutely crazy to hear. I love to hear you guys making gains here. I mean, it feels good if you're making your gains yourself, but what feels even better is that you're going to make gains all together as a community. And that's, of course, exactly what we're doing right now. And it's making me feel absolutely exciting, guys. It's making me feel absolutely exciting. And I definitely will be never stopping doing so, because we have been crushing the market. And usually, guys, my strategy, I'm playing on trend reversals and reversal patterns. That's basically my strategy, what I'm using here. And it has been one of the most profitable trading strategies here in the past 6 months here in Bitcoin. It has been one of the most profitable trading strategies. And you could be right. Of course, I will be maybe swapping up my strategy in a matter of 6 months here. Maybe I'm going to do a different style of trading. But guys, you always have to be adapted to the market, what is right now working. And right now, this works exactly fine for me. It has been making me extremely profitable, and I will be adjusting my strategy once it is not profitable anymore. But right now, my strategy has been absolutely profitable, and we have been absolutely crushing it recently. So I will be definitely not shifting my strategy yet here. And I know from previous bear markets as well here is, I mean, I was even more profitable while trading on the 30K. That was, of course, my prime. Because I was able to trade even more right now. I can't trade so many times a week because the market is just not giving me the opportunity. But yeah, definitely looking forward towards the bear market. I know the bear market has a lot of opportunity. While we were trading on the 30 towards 34K, approximately that region, was one of the best times to trade in my opinion, because the market was very easy to read. And right now, once again, we are seeing a lot of bearish signals, and we're still increasing. So I don't really like to see that, of course. That's the reason why I'm taking a little bit more calm. But with this trade, it all makes it good once again here. At least I want to be doing 1 or 2 trades a week, but if I don't have the opportunity, I will be not doing it. And soon, guys, like everyone already know here, we're going to do a 1 towards 2 Bitcoin trading challenge. Right now, I'm just doing with minor positions. I do just minor positions just to see how the market is reacting, and I'm usually sent away all these gains right away to holding positions and staking positions. So I'm doing just minor positions, but soon I'm going to do a big training challenge with 50,000 US dollars towards 100k. I'm looking forward towards that challenge, and you could be joining me right now as well if you're going to subscribe to this channel, because then you're not going to miss out on any of these updates here. So make sure that you're subscribed to this channel so you're not going to miss out on that very interesting. So ADA update, please. So let me as well go into different coins. Let me discuss ADA for a second here, because ADA even started to move up further, and we're right now trading on $2.86 here. This is of course absolutely crucial, and this is absolutely crazy what we're right now seeing here. So what we're seeing, sorry, I need to get some water, guys. Give me a second. I take some water over here. I having some. Let me. What is better, right? What is way better. So excuse me for being so unprofessional right now. But my throat is getting very thirsty right now. So let me talk a little bit about Cardano. Cardano looks pretty solid right now, to be very honest. But I'm seeing some things that is getting me worried, okay? We are increasing very quickly. Beautiful to see. But please, you want to be accumulating Cardano if you're sitting at the lows, not at the highs. For all the people wondering, you should not be accumulating on highs. You should only accumulate on drop-off. So, if you're already holding Cardano, you're doing a pretty good job here. I just should be holding. I mean, that was my strategy. It is still my strategy as well here with Cardano, and I did sold something around $2.96 here, purely to take some profits out and to of course, dollar cost average as well into some different projects, because I think Cardano increased very quickly, and we could be seeing maybe some cool periods getting started. But right now we are even starting to pump even further. But there are some things that are getting me worried right now here, and that was also the reason why I did took some profits out there. Yes, for sure, I'm going to right away address it. We can be even increasing back towards the $3.40 here. Looks very solid, but the bearish divergence on the daily is just getting me like crazy. I mean, I've been seeing it several times in the past there. We have been seeing it several times on different coins, on different assets. You are seeing, of course, the prices increase very quickly in valuation, and after they increase very quickly in valuation, you're drop-off period getting started, and after to create a new high here. And that is resulting right now in the buyers losing strength on Cardano. And you can see we are forming a bearish divergence right now on towards the top here. So if we're going to increase once again towards the new all-time high, we are going to create exactly once again the same bearish divergence. Of course, I'm not saying that we are not going to be able to increase here, but like I told everyone earlier today as well in the other live stream, in terms of risk management, it's right now too risky to hold a lot of to buy a Cardano, and not hold. Holding Cardano is definitely no risk. It depends on where you bought it, but to buy it right here, I should stand on the sidelines. It's not my call to buy it over here. It's definitely not my call. Firstly, I mean, from a standpoint of a real trader, and a standpoint from a technical analyst, I should not be buying it. But if I'm looking here to the Cardano compared to Ethereum valuation, this looks very solid. It looks like a very beautiful breakout. We're about to reach our price target. We're still a few percentage away from it. We're still 14% away from our price target here for Cardano compared to Ethereum. So make sure that you're going to pay attention towards this here, since we could be reaching this target any time. So this is going to see even more outperformance on Ethereum compared to Cardano. As well, if I'm going to pay attention towards the Cardano compared to Bitcoin pair, you can see that we already reached our price target. We exactly reached our price target right now. You can see Cardano compared to Bitcoin was forming, let me disable the RSI real quickly. Cardano compared to Bitcoin was forming a huge bull flag after that we broke out towards the upside. Right now we reached our price target over here, like you can see. So make sure that you're going to pay attention towards the price target already reached on the Bitcoin pair. Yes, our next major level resistance for the Cardano compared to Bitcoin chart is trading around this this higher level range over here. This, of course, as well the previous highest daily candle. Excuse me so much here. Excuse me so much. My connection just fell off for a second. I mean, my hotel Wi-Fi is not the best Wi-Fi I've got here, so I'm so sorry for that here. I'm trying to fix this issue so as soon as possible. After the stream here, because I'm planning on doing even more streams here in the future. But if this internet Wi-Fi connection issue comes up further and further, of course I will be trying to fix it after this. Excuse me for this internet connection, but I only have it once an hour or so. So hopefully we are good right now for the next hour. So Cardano looks very solid compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Compared to US dollar valuation on the weekly, you have to be looking at this extreme big bearish divergence. You can see right now we are running in towards a very critical level of downwards level resistance on the weekly time frame, and this is of course a huge signal what you should be paying attention towards. We are seeing the prices increasing in valuation. I mean, I'm once again not saying that you want to be selling your Cardano, but I'm only trying to raise the awareness right now that we're seeing one of the biggest bearish divergences on the weekly time frame, and this is going to be resulting in a huge correction most likely here. So make sure that you're going to pay attention towards this. We are seeing a huge momentum loss right now on the weekly time frame. As well on the MACD, we're seeing a huge bearish divergence playing out. But yeah, the MACD could be still shifting pretty bullish, so that's definitely no reason to worry. But the weekly time frame on the RSI is looking pretty worse. But I mean, besides that, if you're going to look at the 4-hourly candles, yeah, we can be still increased for sure towards new all-time. So if you're wondering right now, and if you're questioning me, Roper, is Cardano going to set a new all-time high? I think, yeah, probably we are going to set a new all-time high anytime soon here. But is it smart to buy Cardano right now? I will be definitely saying, please look at a different project that has not been pumping so significantly yet. So yeah, looking forward towards it. Huge fan of Cardano, but I think we want to be cool. We want to be chilling out for a second here. Are you staying in a hostel? No, I am not. I'm staying not in a hostel, bro. I'm staying in a beautiful hotel, a Paramount Hotel Dubai. So I don't know if you guys know it, but it's definitely not a hostel, but it's a very nice hotel. I definitely love it here. So only the internet connection here on the 46th floor is a little bit worse, I think. So I have to check it out here. I have to check it out here. It's okay, but thank you so much, man. So let's look at the Ethereum. Still 45 minutes away, guys. And let me see how much likes we currently got collected here on this stream here. Hopefully we setting a beautiful target here, guys. So yeah, we're right now having 162 likes here. If we can be reaching the 300 likes right now within the coming 10 minutes, I will be for sure going to extend the stream till this 4-hourly candle close here. So guys, another 138 likes here in order to see this 4-hourly candle close altogether. So make sure that you're going to smash up the like button right now here, so we could be discussing this all together. I'm looking forward towards it, guys, so make sure to do so. It's okay, the video is clear. That's very nice to see. Sherry, thank you for sending me that one. Rob, do you think XRP will pump anytime soon here? The firm, that is, I have a very easy explanation for that here, because I'm a huge fan of XRP, like you probably already know here. And yes, I do expect XRP to see a very strong bounce back anytime soon here. And especially right now, I'm getting pretty excited about it. So let me remove some drawings. So let me give you some new insights, what I'm currently thinking of XRP right here. So what you can see, first of all, XRP starts to form a downward sloping resistance. Oh, let me take a different chart here. XRP starts to form a downward sloping resistance line from the top side, and we are forming as well support on the lower side. So looks to be XRP has been going into some consolidation. This looks to be a very clear bull flag right now on the XRP price action, and you will be shocked. You will be shocked if we are going to discuss this price target, what we currently have here, for the ongoing breakout target on XRP. And I'm getting very exciting if I'm going to talk about XRP. Like you guys probably already know on this channel, since I am a huge bull on XRP, and I can as well tell you already that I have personally, for my holding position, no trading whatsoever, I've been accumulating a huge amount of XRP lately while we were retracing back towards the $1.06 here. So I was already keeping my eyes out on this level, and what you can see right now on this chart in front of your screen, major previous resistance, major previous support, major previous resistance, major new support, of course. So this is an extreme big level here that we should be paying attention towards right now, and we clearly are paying attention towards this level, of course. And this level is a level that is going to be providing us a very strong and solid bounce, in my opinion. And especially right now, since we are creating as well a bull flag, we could be seeing this move towards the upside, getting trade out of this bull flag towards the upside with a price target from that point, of course, of an approximately 58% here. So yeah, you could be swing trading right now your XRP position. That's definitely a thing that you could be doing right now here. But what you could be as well do is just play it safe, and of course look for and just open an just spot accumulate some XRP here. Excuse me for my language here, guys. So yeah, XRP looks very solid here. Looks to be increasing very quickly in valuation anytime soon here as well. If we're going to look at the XRP price valuation compared to previous cycles, it looks to be that we're seeing similar price structure, only a little bit diminishing returns here. But we could be seeing similar moves here before seeing a new all-time getting great here. So thank you so much for your donation as well, Donnie Lee here. Can you look at Covalent chart? I will be looking into towards in a second, my friend. Let me first discuss some main coins, and then I will be going into altcoins, of course. So give me a moment. I will be for sure trying to discuss it in a moment. So please as well don't spam in the chat, since if you're going to spam in the chat, you will be getting blocked here. So please don't do so. It's definitely not appreciated. So we are entering XRP. To answer your question next again, speed here. I've already entered a position in XRP, of course. But yeah, I will be, of course. I can't give any financial advice here, but personally, I'm looking forward towards it. So someone as well is asking about UDAP, and I definitely feel very excited about UDAP. And let me look at the chart real quickly, since it has been starting to increase very significantly recently, and right now we are still trading. And let me adjust this line a little bit here over here. Excuse me, that was of course was redrawn. It's not being redrawn because I think I touched it. So you can see right now here is that we are still forming and still trading within this very significant symmetrical triangle. And I can already tell to everyone, and I can already address it to everyone right now, is that that UDAP is going to see a very significant price move anytime soon here. This is going to be a very significant move here of an approximately 53% here, because yeah, this symmetrical triangle that I'm right now seeing over here, and I'm holding quite a lot of UDAP in their app here, since you can gain literally 20% APY here on this coin. That's absolutely crazy, of course, and I definitely should be, of course, paying attention towards it, since it can be providing you very good passive income strategies here. So yeah, I'm holding a lot of this coin here, a lot of this token, and I definitely think as well it would only not give you the 20% APY, but right now as well we could be seeing a very significant breakout of this symmetrical triangle. What could be pushing up the price towards the 73%, 73 US dollar cents. So right now that could be, of course, a 52% increasement, and that's going to be a massive move that we're about to get creating here. Yes, we are going to run into some critical resistance here around the orange box here. So this is definitely a thing that you should be paying attention towards. This is going to be providing you a lot of opportunities here, and for sure the all-time high was only trading around the $1.20 here, and we're about to going to visit it anytime soon once again here. So yeah, looking forward towards UDAP, how it's going to play out here. But for sure, this is a coin once again where you should be as well pay attention towards. As well, labs, guys, I don't know if you guys saw it. I was literally at my breakfast, and I'm holding labs since around 0.06 cents, so 0.6%. I bought in towards it, and I was literally I was taking my breakfast, and I was seeing labs trading on 3 cents, and I thought, yeah, whoa, crazy, I'm going to sell it. I right away thought I'm going to sell it. So let me go to the 5-minute candles, because what literally went on over there is that I tried to sell it, and I couldn't, because the price dropped even further. And then, well, I was trying to go to sell it for 3 cents. My portfolio dropped, not my portfolio, but my holdings of this coin just dropped once again with another, yeah, I will be not telling the digits, of course, but it dropped once again very significantly. And, yeah, right now, of course, it's trading still. It's at a very steady, approximately, 1.8 cents here, and that's quite nice here for labs here. I mean, yeah, if you bought it around the level that I bought it, it's still from here on approximately 230% surge. So yeah, I mean, definitely very exciting what we're right now having here, and I can't wait to see what we're going to have. Definitely very good investments so far, at least, and I will be holding this coin, since I definitely think even higher price targets with labs getting reached here, guys. So yeah, pretty exciting here. So Bitcoin wicking a little bit here, but still looking very steady. 48.3k here, 48.4k. 40 minutes away for this 4-hourly close, guys. So let me get right now into the likes here, guys. Let me see. We're only another 80 likes away. We are only 70 likes away before reaching the 300 likes here, guys. So make sure to do so, and we could be moving in towards we could be seeing, of course, a 4-hourly close. What is going to be critical for Bitcoin and Ethereum altogether? So you are requesting me right now, can you please look at CQT chart? So let me go in towards this chart for you, friends. So this looks very solid, man. Right away, going to say this looks very interesting. I don't even have to draw these. I see these triangles already in my head, of course, but this looks very solid. I could be right away address this in just a matter of a few seconds. This looks very solid, because we are right now seeing a continuation pattern getting created here after a huge run up here. So you're seeing, let me basically address there. It's on the 4-hourly candles, of course. So this coin creates a huge run up towards the upside. After that, you are seeing consolidation playing out in a symmetrical triangle, and this is, of course, bullish consolidation since we started to see a move towards the upside, and then go sideways / consolidation So yeah, it looks very solid here. It's going to probably break out towards the upside. 90% no, and a 60-70% chance that it's going to break out towards the upside. This could be a price target around 2,027 cents here. What is approximately 70%, 65% gain here towards the upside. So yeah, make sure that you're going to pay attention towards that coin here, because it looks very, very nice here. It looks to be providing you a huge opportunity, and for sure you should be paying attention towards that coin right now here, and you should be, of course, yeah, you could be, of course, accumulate as well a little bit of this stuff. So yeah, it looks very interesting. It is going to see a breakout here in the coming hours. In probably 1 hour and 16 minutes. Sorry, one day and 16 hours is the apex getting reached here. Usually we break out before reaching the apex. So yeah, it looks very solid, my friend. And yeah, let's see how it will be reacting. Bitcoin as well, running in towards resistance, guys. Are we going to see a breakthrough? Let me know right now in the chat, guys. Should I make a poll? I will be making a poll here. Is Bitcoin going to let me pull up a poll here. Is Bitcoin going to break this level of resistance? So guys, make sure to flow right away here. Yes. And the other answer is no. So I will be putting a community poll up right now here in the stream. So make sure that you're going to vote on this community poll, because I want to be seeing what you guys think here, and so I can get a feel of what you guys currently think are. So make sure to vote here. Is Bitcoin going to break through this orange box on the 4-hourly candle close? So 58% right away saying yes here. And guys, while you guys are voting right now, I will take a quick sip of my water. So let me go back. I drank my water. That's good. So Bitcoin is trying to retrace even further towards the 48.2k right now. So that's pretty interesting. Ethereum as well falling below the orange box, trading against the orange box right now. So yeah, we still have another 35 minutes, guys. We can be literally do anything still in these last 35 minutes, but these are going to be critical 35 minutes here on this chart. So is Ethereum going to hold up? Is Bitcoin going to hold up? It's going to be extremely important. 0.382, and then we are moving up once again. So yeah, guys, we could be using as well Fibonacci on Bitcoin right now. We're going to... So yeah, Bitcoin of course broke through already the 0.3 to the golden pocket resistance. We could be maybe see a retest of this level, then start to move up once again here. But generally speaking, it's looking pretty solid right now here. Even though it will be the best scenario, would literally be a close above this resist target of this orange line of resistance. After that, we are seeing a re-entry of a retest of the golden pocket, and then we start to move up towards the 0.68 here, the 48.8k. What as well comes together with some other levels of critical levels of resistance. And once I'm saying that, I mean this level over here, of course. So this level over here, this is going to be as well critical level resistance, where you should be paying attention towards right now here. If you're going to flip it to the 1 hourly candles, you can see as well, this is going to be an extremely important level to pay attention towards. Since this level over here, you can see, is a major previous resistance. So support, not very strong support, of course. Here resistance. So this is going to be, of course, a major provider of resistance on the Bitcoin price action. So make sure that you're going to at least pay attention towards this level, because yeah, it's going to be a very important one. It's going to be a very important. Let me see. Let me. Oh please. Yes, go long and pay for my. Please don't call us like that, because we have been absolutely crushing the market. So of course, I will be not saying that you should be going long right now. But I mean, yeah, we have been doing absolutely a beautiful job here with our long position. So there's definitely no reason to feel bad about this. Golden pocket is the golden pocket on a retracement is the 0.38. The golden pocket on a retracement here is going to be the 0.3. Golden pocket on a retracement is going to be the 0.32, and on an increasement is going to be good here. It's going to be the 0.6. So I mean, on a retracement, you want to be really opting to accumulate around the 0.382, in my opinion. So yeah, right now we are running in towards the halfway point of the trend, and of course the 0.5 here. The 0.5 is basically 50% trend, and usually if you're going to get corrected by the 0.5% here, you could be calling the rally a dead bounce here, and you can be seeing a more pushback towards the downside. So getting rejected by the 0.5 is usually a very bearish signal, and usually this is well indicating that we want to be lower prices rather than higher price from. So that is, of course, as well a thing that you should be paying attention towards right now here. And at least I as well here. Of course, we all have to be paying attention towards right now. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out wide open, and we will be for sure the next opportunity. Let me see. I have a short position at 48.3k here, and that's pretty crazy. 48.3k. You're. I think, of course, you could be opening short position, but still, it's pretty risky. Still, I think you trading like that. You're just basically gambling. Since we as well have been seeing a reversal pattern breaking out here on Ethereum, and Ethereum could be leading the way as well. Right now for Bitcoin, like it have been doing in the beginning of August and the end of July, it have been really leading the way right now, and right now it starts to do it once again here since it's breaking out compared to the Bitcoin. So make sure that you're going to pay attention towards it. And I think shorting the market right now is, of course, we could be seeing a minor pullback. But it's too risky for me right now to. Please be careful with that, and only trade with your emotions, because you're probably trading with your emotions, and that's definitely not part of my strategy. So guys, let me quickly check up on how much likes we got here. So we are exactly 35 likes away from it. Guys, no, another 35 likes will be truly amazing if we can reach it. Will be truly amazing if we reach it. Absolute legend, Mr. Rover, $2,000 in profit on my Ethereum trade. Best channel on YouTube. Keep up the good work. I mean, you know, that's absolutely crazy to hear this from you guys. Make sure to as well, for all the people that are right now watching here, if you want to be right now joining me, and if you as well want to be making these crazy gains here on the cryptocurrency market, you have to know one thing. These gains, a lot of people talk, I mean, you see these advertisements, etc. But I can tell you already, I've literally made my work out of trading, and I'm right now living in Dubai, and I mean, of course, it's going crazy fast for me because I'm only 20 years old here. And the funny part and the nice part about this is that trading is purely online. You can learn everything what you want, and trading is also a skill that you can learn, and you can become extremely profitable. First, I lost hope in the beginning, but then it's purely hard work. You have to work hard, and if you work hard enough, you can become extremely profitable. And if you want to be trading as well, I should suggest using Bybit here. Of course, I live in the Netherlands. Binance is illegal over there. And I think Bybit is one of the best, it is the best leverage trading currency exchange here. Make sure to already sign up here with the link description, because if you're right now going to sign up, you will be not only getting a beautiful account over there, but you will be as well getting a $3,000 deposit bonus on my link in the description. So you could be literally deposit some funds right now on your Bybit account, withdraw these funds, and you have the bonus. And I'm not kidding, this is no advertisements, click, or whatsoever. This is truly true. You could be signing up on an account, deposit funds, and withdraw them, and you have a free deposit bonus. So make sure to check that out here. It's definitely worth to do so. So as well, massive donate to the channel here. What are your views on T-Fuel? Should I sell my spot position? So let me get to T-Fuel. I mean, generally, Mazdap, I've been already saying it on the channel here that I've been selling some of my spot positions right now here. So most likely, if I'm bearish on Bitcoin, it could be the same for. I mean, even though I feel pretty excited about the project of that. It looks to be Tether Fuel. Let me right away first address the 4-hourly candles. It looks to be that we were forming similar market structure as Bitcoin and Ethereum. This one as well broke out of an. No, not even broke out yet here. So it looks to be that we're still forming a falling wedge here. Of course, typical bullish bias pattern. It's probably going to break out towards the upside. I'm not saying that we're going to see a breakdown from here on. But for sure, you could be seeing this minor move towards the upside, getting create here of another 8% towards the upside. But if I'm going to then zoom out here, and if I'm going to go towards the daily candles, it looks to be that you're forming some kind of an continuation pattern here. So it looks to be that we are maybe forming over here. Maybe. So it looks to be that you're forming an ever sloping support line here. Maybe are even seeing a breakdown of right now, and your projection on the retest. So it looks to be that you're forming some kind of an ascending triangle here. And let me make this as well white line here. Right. So it looks to be that we are forming, of course, an ascending triangle, and it looks to be that it's going to, right now break down here. And you're even getting a retest of our previous support line as resistance. So if I'm looking to the daily candles, it's looking much worse than if I'm going to approach it on the 4-hour candles like I just did here. So daily candles not looking extremely strong here, to be very honest. If I'm going to flip it to the 12-hour candles, I could be seeing some different things here, because on the 12-hour candles, you could be maybe approaching it differently. You could be maybe saying, okay, we are right now forming as well a symmetrical triangle. But if I'm going to approach it like this as well, you're going to see as well that we formed a breakdown, and that we even got a rejection by this upper sloping supportive line that was right now flipped into resistance. So yeah, I'm getting a little bit scared if I'm looking to Tether Fuel in the bigger picture. If I'm going to look at the weekly as well, we know it has been increasing very quickly, decreased very quickly once again. right now it's going sideways. Maybe could be forming some kind of a diamond pattern on the weekly. That if, yeah, 4 hours looking very solid, but the higher time frames are looking like I'm getting a little bit worried about it. But if I'm going to enable the momentum indicators that I can be using here as well, I'm seeing we have been showing some weaknesses currently in this uptrend. We have been forming here a higher high in the price action, and if I'm looking back towards the price action on the MACD over here, you can see we're forming a lower high. So the MACD is losing its strength. So basically, it's telling me, the MACD is telling me right now, okay, the buyers are losing its strength, but still the prices are rising. So please get scared. Please get warned about this one. So yeah, you want to be getting careful about this one right now. It looks pretty interesting, but you could be very severe correction. So let me see. Okay, I had to quickly react to something real quickly. So excuse me. Someone is sending me something very interesting. Yeah, of course, thing that we should be paying attention towards. So let me go back to the Bitcoin price section. Let me discuss some analysis over here. Let me look at on hourly candles. Someone is sending to me that we should be careful on Bitcoin right now. Let me look at this here. Someone is sending me a private message right now that we should be getting careful for Bitcoin on this here. He's talking about the resistance line here on the top side. Not very, yeah, of course, we could be looking out for this level here. We have been already touching this level here on the top side, to be very honest. And this level could be providing us very strong resistance in the future. But let me get to the different chart here. We got the dynamic chart. Let me get to the Binance chart. Oh, no, I mean, I disagree with him. Excuse me for this. Excuse me for this. So, yeah, personally, the thing that looks to be very interesting here is, of course, the Bitcoin 4-hourly candle. So the Bitcoin 4-hourly candle is going to be one of the most important one. Yes, we are forming right now as well falling wedge over here, but this could be the critical resistance that we have to be breaking through. We could be as well approaching it a different way, and that is, of course, the upper sloping support line that we are willing to pay attention towards here, and that is, of course, this level over here. So two major levels of support and resistance coming together. What we should be paying attention towards right now here. I'm getting a little bit scared, of course, but yeah, I will be sticking my trade with my stop loss set here, and if this 4-hourly candle fails to break through this level, I will be going out of my trades right away here. So yeah, 24 minutes, still we're going to see this until we're going to see exactly what's going to play out here. So make sure that you're going to stick till the end of the stream here. It's going to be pretty interesting. It's going to be pretty interesting. It's pretty interesting. Super volatile. Yeah, indeed. The market is pretty volatile. I mean, yeah, the past 2 days have been already volatile, to be honest. I mean, these one day in approximately 8 hours over here was just going purely sideways. So, is this a pump before a major dump? That's in my opinion, yes. In my opinion, yes. We are seeing right now a minor pump here, but I do expect that we're going to see a bigger severe correction in the end of the day. I do expect a very severe correction if we are going to start yeah, of course, maybe set a new I was getting here. I personally do expect it's just very typical that Bitcoin is going to be a very critical, very significant correction before moving up, because there's no chart that is going to move up initially. That's just the fact that we are right now embracing, and that's also how cryptocurrency markets work here, because cryptocurrency markets basically work on emotion, and if everyone's going to be getting too greedy, we're going to see price drops. Everyone will be getting too much into fear, we'll be seeing price surge, because it's always against the people emotion. You have to trade against your usually once you have to be bullish. If everyone is bearish, you want to be bullish. Once everyone is increased, you want to be fair. Everyone is in fear, you want. This is a thing that I have been saying several times on this channel. I think while we were trading on 30K, I've been repeating this every single time in my streams there, and every single time in my video updates, and everyone was calling me saying stuff. But I mean, the fact is that we have been crushing the market since. So yeah, you can be calling me a moon boy, or you can be calling me an extreme bear, because right now I'm bearish. People don't get it, but I'm bearish right now. The daily time. I've been explaining it several times on the stream here. But let me say, in approximately tomorrow or the day after, I will be releasing a special video why I right now think that a major Bitcoin correction. So make sure that you're going to subscribe to the channel right now here, ring the bell notification if you're willing to crush the market. At least if you're willing to crush the market, you should be right now hitting that subscriber button. That's definitely a thing that we should be saying to you guys over here, since yeah, of course, we have as well been doing this trade all together here. This trade is already going towards higher ranges, absolutely, yeah, looking very well, and I definitely can't wait to see what we're going to do. Still 22 minutes away before 4 a.m. close, guys. We are getting extremely close right now. Make sure to smash the likes here. Your mic is... Oh. Hello? That's guys, do you hear me? Do you hear me? So that is pretty crazy. I don't know what's going on with my microphone here. I think my wire over here just got disconnected. Excuse me. Audio cutting off. I'm sorry, guys. I'm back. Guys, do you hear me? Do you hear me? Copy. I've been a sub since 71. Figured I'll check on you. I mean, Master of None. I literally remember you because you tuned in towards the stream. I know, man. You're crazy. And on the video. I know, man. You're crazy, man. Thank you so much for being here once again. You're truly amazing to see these subs from the beginning as well, tuning in once again, since by then we, of course, just started by sharing some analysis while I was doing the training in the background, anything. And it grows so quickly. And, of course, people were willing to see me doing as well trades live, and it just escalated like this. And right now I'm doing basically only live trades anymore. I mean, I'm trying to do a lot of trades together, and I'm sharing all my setups. So yeah, it's going pretty quickly. Everything is good. Thank you so much, guys. Will you open a long after the confirmation on the 4 hour close? I mean, I will be not opening a long on Bitcoin since I'm already in my position with Ethereum. Because it's double risk here. I think it's not the best entry that you can get here on Bitcoin. Of course, we will be probably see a move towards shops again and create here, but I will be benefiting from it on my Ethereum trade. So yeah, it's going to be pretty critical these coming 20 minutes here, but I will be. I mean, if you were going to close this triangle candle above the red line of resistance, yeah, you could be for sure opening one. For sure, you could be doing so. And if you want to be doing so, I should highly suggest doing it on Bybit. You can sign up already. Like I told you, you can be getting a very, very nice deposit bonus right now here. That's a thing that you should be checking out, in my opinion. So yeah, make sure to already go to that, of course. But I mean, if we're going to fail to hold on to ours, you could maybe look for a short as well. So definitely a lot of opportunities right now here. Definitely make sure to check it out, since it should be highly suggested right now here. Definitely a lot of opportunities. We're going to go higher. The Fed said so. That's pretty crazy that the Federal Reserve is. Pretty crazy that the Fed. Yeah, I don't think that they're saying that that often. So let me see. We are as well getting another donation here. Another super chat. Absolutely amazing for your super chat. I truly appreciate all the super chats that we are getting here. Jason Clark is saying, glad to be a supporter of my friend. Thoughts on 88 price action the week surrounding when the smart. So I want to be saying one thing here as well. Andre donating to the channel. Any thoughts on Luna? We'll be going into Luna after this here, Andre, because first I want to be discussing, of course, this lovely ADA discussion here. So yeah, the week is coming. The week is coming up here for share. But I have been learning one thing in my my lifetime. I've been learning some few things here, and I will be right now sharing my all the things I've learned here from all my mistakes. Sell the news, buy the rumor. I can say it in one sentence. Sell the news, buy the rumor. So once it comes out, for sure, we're going to see a little bit of higher price getting reached here. But after that, we're going to see a severe correction. I can already tell you this. And the reason why here is because it just works like that on every single coin. As well, I remember it had a few. It was exactly the same. It's on every single coin, on every single project. You have to do the same. As well with Ethereum. Ethereum moved up very quickly. Well, of course, the London hard fork update was not even around yet here, but the news was coming up. And while it comes up, of course, it started up and cooled off for a moment here. So, yeah, you want to be knowing here. Of course, it was not really a market still up after that here. So yeah, if the market is going to move up, probably Cardano is going to move up further as well here. But I mean, taking profits anytime soon is not bad on Cardano. I definitely think it's not bad. I know I'm loving Cardano. I'm as well loving gains. I love making gains in the market, and what I don't love here is getting crushed and getting wrecked. So please make sure that you're going to pay attention towards that. Sell the news, buy the rumor. It's just a very easy saying, and it is as well a very profitable way on trading, because if you're always going to do that, you're probably going to be. So thank you so much for your support of the nation, of course. But what do I think right now? Of course, I've already discussed early on this stream what I personally think right now in the imminent short term. as well. If I'm going to look at the weekly time frame, I'm seeing a huge amount of bearish divergence playing out over here. So yeah, I should still suggest sticking with the strategy, sell the news, buy the rumor. That's for sure my strategy. That's at least my strategy for the Bitcoin, for the price action. So let me look at Luna and Jason Clark. I know you're as well a member of the channel, so make sure to as well ask me something in the chat here. And if I read it, I will be always trying to answer. So yeah, thank you so much for your support. Highly appreciate it. So someone is as well asking about the ADA compared to Ethereum pair. So let me go into that as well before moving further in towards Luna, of course. So yeah, I mean, I've been already discussing it earlier today, ADA compared to Ethereum. It moved up very quickly. It it moved up very quickly. So yeah, you can see it broke out of this triangle. We as well told to everyone, okay, we are right now seeing breakout of this triangle, and we could be towards the upside getting traded towards our price target. This is going to be a very severe increasement of 60% here, and right now on the time of recording, we're only another 30% away from it. So yeah, it absolutely outperformed Ethereum, and as well, I see another supportive donation from Melwiscon. I'm so sorry, I'm so bad with pronouncing names. So thank you so much for your support of the nation. Highly appreciated, of course. So looking forward towards what we're currently going to have here. I'm getting called right now, but I can't pick up the because we're of course live streaming right now. So I'm getting several calls right now. But yeah, this looks still like we are going to see further increase towards the upside. So looking forward towards that one as well. Yeah, Cardano compared to Bitcoin already reached the price target of this significant. Let me see the significant bull flag over here. You can see we have been forming a price target here on rate 0.000611.5, and we were already about to reach that target. So we basically, I can already tell we have been reaching the bull flag target of the Cardano compared to Bitcoin valuation. So that looks very solid. So looking forward towards that for sure. Let me see, Bitcoin pump. Yeah, Bitcoin has been indeed pumping here, and don't fight that. No, of course, we're not going to do that. I mean, yeah, we are going to do that. Man, you live in Paramount, Dubai. I saw you there. That's true, man. Of course, if you see me, make sure to talk to me, man. I live indeed in Paramount, Dubai. I will be here for another 30 days here, guys. Maybe for the other people that are in Dubai as well here, we could be maybe meeting up anytime soon here. Let me see if I can address something here. Indeed, I live in. So the Fed news. Ethereum price can in. So yeah, Ethereum right trading at around 3,240 US dollars. Our trade is still doing pretty solid here. Very solid. No audio. What? Right? Yes. Hello? We are having audio. Guys, don't fool me here. Don't make jokes. Oh, you're not making jokes. Guys, let me... I really have to be checking something up here, because I think I have some issues with my cables here, because they're my cable management is right now terrible. I have to fix it. The sound... So let me check. Maybe I have to put my microphone closer here, and it should be good by right now. It should be good. Excuse me for that, of course. Test. Hello. Fix audio, please, guys. I will be trying to fix it. I will be trying to fix the audio here off the stream. I can't really do it right now here. Excuse me so much. The stream will be also not taking any longer, not that long anymore here. But I will be trying to fix it by putting the microphone a little bit closer here. So is it better right now? Let me know. Hopefully it is better right now. I think it is better. It's way better. Okay. No, we're not making jokes. Okay, please. Excuse me so much for thinking that you were making jokes. Guys, we're literally 30 minutes away from it. And sounds good for me. Okay, that's nice. So, guys, we are literally 13 minutes away before closing this 4-hourly candle. This is going to be one of the most important 4-hourly candle closes. Well, Ethereum is even moving up further here. Once again, 3,000 US dollars in profits. You could be still signing up here. And guys, yeah, you guys are saying better. Everyone's saying it is better. Nice. Make sure to as well hit that follow button here on my Twitter page if you're interested in my personal lifestyle and, of course, the things that I'm doing here, what I'm about to do here, because tonight I'm going to have some very amazing things here, some very amazing meetups with some other crypto guys here. So, yeah, I'm here in Dubai right now to meet up with some other crypto guys, etc., to do some work. Of course, I'm not standing still. We are looking forward always, and we are always going to look at the next things that we're going to see here. So, definitely can't wait to see what we're going to have. Okay, that's nice. Audio is not completely gone. Still some cutoffs. Okay, I will be really trying to fix it after stream, man. I can't do it right now. I have to do my own research about that one, because I don't know exactly how to fix it right here. So we'll be trying to do that for sure. Rove, who will win in Spa? I think, unfortunately, it will be Hamilton, but I hope it will be Max Verstappen, of course. But I definitely think it will be Hamilton. So, good question. You know my hobbies. I'm really into Formula One, of course. So let me as well discuss Polka Starter for my friend here, because you are sending me requests here like every single minute here, and let me go over Polka Starter right now. So yeah, it starts to increase as well. Ever so slightly here, approximately 12% here in the past approximately 12 hours here, so that looks very solid here. If we go to look to the minute short term, I'm not seeing some very interesting patterns playing out, to be very honest. Yeah, you could be maybe of course address this. We were clearly in a downward structure over here. We broke out towards the upside of the downtrend. Right now we are trying to start an uptrend once again here, but the uptrend is not confirmed yet here. An uptrend will be confirmed if you're going to start to set higher highs, and right now you're still setting lower highs every single time here, and as soon as we're going to set a higher high, we could be looking for higher price targets once again here. So yeah, looking forward towards it, but we broke the downward spiral, and we could be right now starting to move up and curve up from here on. So it looks very solid, my friend. Looks very, very solid. So Bitcoin, Ethereum still doing a very solid job as well here. Guys, I'm getting very excited because the 4-hourly close is getting closer every single minute. And I'm getting very, very excited about it because this is going to be a very extreme important time for Ethereum. Guys, as well, we could be maybe already say that the last, oh no, we're right now, of course, 11 minutes away from it. And usually these last 10 minutes are usually the most critical and the most volatile moments here on the 4-hourly candles. So this is going to be very, very important for the coming next, the coming 11 minutes is going to be extremely important here for all the price action for Ethereum and Bitcoin. This is going to as well determine if I'm going to hold on towards my trade or if I'm going to close it. Because if Bitcoin is going to close below this red line here, I will be closing my Ethereum trade right away after that. So guys, that's already a thing that I can tell to you guys. If I'm going to close my if this 4-hourly candle is going to close below the red line, I will be closing my trade right away here. So that's of course a thing they should be paying attention towards right now here, because it's going to be extremely important. So if I'm going to do so, I will be still looking in very nice $3,000, but otherwise I could be literally make, of course, an approximately 7 or 8K out of it. So that will be way, way better. I have absolutely zero issues with sound. Okay, I will be just looking in towards it after that. I'm calling it Ghastly Podium. That will be crazy. It will be crazy. Yo, Rove, are you a millionaire yet? I don't know if I can answer the question. But yeah, I mean, what my focus is here right now in life is just work hard. Just work hard. Just trying to put a grind on and work hard and never stop. I mean, you always have goals in life, and it's very important to have. You have to set goals in life, and you always want to be pushing further. And I think we are all here watching right now to this stream because we are here to make gains. We're here to make some money, and we have the same mindset. And I'm here as well. I'm trying to make some money. I'm trying to trade this one towards the upside. I'm trying to not get wrecked in this trade. And are you going to be a millionaire or not? It doesn't matter. You have to start somewhere, you know? So for all the people out there that's trying to make the difference right now, crypto is really the place to be if you want to be making a difference. You can be really become extremely wealthy in crypto. I mean, I will be not saying that I'm extremely wealthy or so, but I mean, I'm right now 20 years old, and I've been really doing a very good job with crypto, and it has been making me and giving me a huge opportunities right now in life. And it's definitely worth to, if you're not exposed to crypto, if you're watching this video for the first time, you're learning about technical analysis, etc. I mean, make sure that the research and the due diligence that you're right now going to do in crypto and into technical analysis, etc., etc., it's going to be worth it altogether. I've been working on it already for approximately almost 6 years right now. Almost 6 years. I have been working on gaining and gathering my skills together, and it has been absolutely paying me off for sure. And if you're right now just starting for 1 year or 2 years, or you're just looking around the corner for a week, or maybe this is your first time watching a crypto video, you have to start somewhere, and you have to. Yeah, I mean, it's hard work. You have to sacrifice some things. I'm right now sacrificing as well a lot of things right now in my life. I'm literally emigrating towards a different place to go out of my hometown. I'm leaving everyone behind. It's a very, very big task for me as well, but you have to sacrifice in life. It's part of life. So please don't spam in the chat, because I will be blocking everyone who's going to spam in the chat. But yeah, make sure that you're going to make sure just hard work pays off. It's just always the same. Work pays off here. So make sure that you're going to do a lot of research in crypto if you're new towards it. If you're already inside a lot of it, make sure, I first suggest for all the people that are new here, don't start with technical analysis. Start with doing research about the fundamental worth. After that, start to go into technical analysis. That was exactly as well the steps that I made, at least. So let me see. Hey Rover, are you going to update us tonight? Of course, guys, for everyone who's wondering, I will be for sure updating everyone later on today through Twitter, of course, so make sure to already follow me here at RoverCRC. I will be bringing out more and more updates over here, so yeah, make sure that you're going to check that out. But Rover's the best TA of crypto and the smartest. That's pretty nice to hear. That's pretty nice to hear. Thank you so much, Fa. Right now, I can pronounce your name correctly. So thanks for the motivation. No, guys, I will be trying to really bring out better motivation. It was not that good motivation yet, but I mean, you just have to work hard. You just have to keep your head down and look forward. Don't look back anymore. If you have made some mistakes in the past, don't look back. Look forward. Look at the opportunities. Don't look at don't look for excuses. If you're only going to look at excuses, you're not going to make it. So yeah, sacrifice, guys. Luna's holding right now. That's pretty nice. Hello from Thailand. Hello, man. Welcome tuning. Welcome here. Welcome here. I'm afraid I can't answer that question live on stream, Mayak. Let me see. Guys, let me know where you're from right now in the chat, because we're right now 6 minutes away before closing this 4-hour candle. And let's see if there will be some more volatility in towards the market here. We'll be as well enabling the volume right now. And let me go as well to the lower time frames, only 5 minutes or so. So, guys, let me know in the chat where you're from. Will be truly amazing. Will be truly, truly amazing. So the volume is right now cooling up very significantly on the 5-minute candles. And let me make a volume box of this. Let me do this. Move to new panel below. So let me see what we're going to have here. So 5 minutes. As well was a little bit overextended on the RSI. Cooled off ever so slightly right now. Could be making itself ready for another leg up here. As long as we're going to close above the red line of resistance on the 4-hour candles, of course. This is not resistance on the 5 minutes. But yeah, you can see there was some minor resistance on the 5 minute. But I won't expect this level to hold on that strong here on the 5 minute, to be very honest. So Bitcoin moving down even further right now. Getting me a little bit worried, of course. Bitcoin has to be holding on towards this level for the last 5 minutes. So in exactly 40 seconds, we're going to print the last 5-minute candle here on this on the stream. Oh, guys, and you are saying where you're from here, so excuse me for not paying attention towards it. I see Sweden, United Arab Emirates. That's very nice. I'm there as well right now. Colombia, Finland, Singapore, Nigeria, Ireland, Belgium GP. It's probably going to be a very nice one. Afghanistan is pretty cool. You're tuning in from there, man. Good luck with the situation over there. Malaysia, South Africa, India, Colombia. Guys, absolutely crazy that you guys are tuning in from all over the world here. Once again, Poland, Colombia, Netherlands. I mean, I'm as well from Netherlands for everyone who's wondering. Indonesia, Africa. Oh, this is pretty crazy. Malta. I've been there as well a couple times here. So, guys, last 5 minutes of 4-hour candles. Germany. I mean, you guys are absolutely tuning in from all over the world. You guys are absolute legends. Friesland. that's cool. Holland. Dutch army in the chat. Malaysia, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Scotland, Holland. Klompeland, that's also a very nice one. USA, guys, thank you so much for tuning in all over the world. You guys are the best community I've ever wished for. I mean, yeah, guys, let's push further on towards it. Let's look ahead. And let's look at the next opportunities that we're going to have here. Did you already show Luna? Excuse me, let me look at Luna real quickly before going to go back into towards the Bitcoin price action. Excuse me so much here. So, what are we having right now for the Bitcoin price action? Sorry, for the Luna price action. Yeah, Luna started to creating maybe some kind of a potential head and shoulders, like you can see over here, potential head and shoulders. This is not confirmed yet here, so should be definitely not trading this. If I'm going to look at a different way to Luna on the daily candles, we could be seeing right now that Luna is having a loss of momentum currently. So you can see right now on the RSI, we are seeing the momentum losing on Luna while the price action is still increasing. So if we're going to close this daily candle over here, we're going to see a massive bearish divergence playing out here. So make sure that you're going to pay attention towards this here, since this is going to be extremely critical for the Luna price action, because if we're going to create a bearish divergence, we are probably going to see a correction. And I can already address one thing here, what I as well addressed here previously quite a lot of times here on this channel, and what have been making me do very good calls here. So the worst thing, what you can see in a very significant parabolic trend towards the upside, is consolidation. Consolidation on a parabolic trend here is going to signify an end of the trend, since it will be decreasing the buying strength and decreasing the buying pressure, what will be, of course, not help us to go further in towards a parabolic trend here. So the parabolic trend already ended, and I should be getting careful. Taking profits right now, definitely good job here. Buying right now here, another good job here. Should I be selling all my portfolio, all my holdings right now in Luna? No, I don't think so. But should I be taking some very strong profits over here? I definitely will be saying yes. So
Make sure that you are warned. Consolidation on top side of a parabolic run-up is never good here. The 0.618 here, the 1.618 here providing massive resistance. Make sure that you're going to pay attention towards the level. This since this is going to be just major rejection zone for all the Luna price for the Luna price action over there. So yeah, it looks not very solid right now here, to be very honest. I should be definitely personally, if I'm holding, I already sold all my Luna here. Already around the 26, 25 US dollars. Of course, I could have sold it higher, but I'm good with that here. But right now we're seeing consolidation on top side of parabolic run up, and I definitely should be saying right now that you could be taking some profits over here. It is never good to see consolidation. Of course, consolidation is good here, but not in the parabolic run up, because this will be decreasing the buying strength and decreasing the buying pressure. What you can as well right now seeing in the MACD and the RSI here. So the MACD as well showing us that we are losing the buying strength, and if we're going to increase once again, we're just going to create a huge bearish divergence. So make sure that you're going to pay attention towards this right now here. And let me right now discuss the last few minutes here on the Bitcoin price action, because we are about to close this 4-hourly candle in exactly 1 minute and 46 seconds, guys. So we're getting extremely close. And guys, by the way, make sure that you're going to subscribe to this channel here. 2 streams today here, absolutely crushing it. Will be truly amazing if you can do right now, smash up that subscriber and of course that like button here, guys. We as well reached the 55.8k subscribers, absolutely crazy. A lot of you guys subscribe to the channel since you were seeing our call here on our YouTube channel, because we have been making a perfect call over here, of course, of this symmetrical of this falling wedge here. I announced to everyone that was opening a trade over here, and you guys of course massively hit that subscribe button after seeing that. So make sure that you're going to do so right now as well, since if you're going to want to be joining me on these next trades, you want to be hitting that subscribe button right now, because otherwise you're just going to miss out on it. And yeah, you can see Ethereum is moving up already ever so slightly again. So Bitcoin still 1 minute away from it, but guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to smash up the like button. And people are saying Ethereum still on its way towards the 3,350 US dollars, and I will be right away saying yes, my take profit is set, and I will be for sure going out of the market over there here. And I will be then after that, if I go out of the market over there, I will be taking of course the profits like I made, and then I will be looking at the next opportunity, discussing all the major things that we should be paying attention towards right then. So yeah, looking forward towards it, my friends. Looking very forward towards it. Break going to forward towards for 52k here. I mean, personally, if we're going to see Bitcoin re-entering above this red line here, this is going to be extremely bullish, because we just literally confirmed the breakout. And guys, look at this. Look what we found. Blue like button, so make sure to smash it. So yeah, you can see if we're going to re-enter this important level of support, this is going to be very valuable for all the Bitcoin holders out there. And I can confirm right now, we are literally 10 seconds away from it, and we are re-entering right now this important support line. We are re-entering the channel, and we just did close this 4-hourly candle of Bitcoin within this this support line once again, and we as well broke out of the falling wedge on the Bitcoin 4-hourly candle. So personally, I will be right now saying this is looking very strong here, since the 4-hourly falling wedge right here right now here on the Bitcoin price section is targeting, and it will be not making you guys feel extremely I will be not promoting FOMO or so, but we are probably right now going to see Bitcoin retrace back towards the 50,466 US dollars since we broke out of this falling wedge here. So make sure that you're going to pay attention towards this move here. Ethereum and Bitcoin is looking extremely good right now. Ethereum as well confirmed the uptrend right now, guys. Ethereum confirmed the uptrend. Make sure that you're paying attention towards this, because right now, we have been forming a higher high than the previous high. This is looking very solid right now for all the Ethereum holders out there. Ethereum officially confirmed a new uptrend right now in the 4-hourly candles. We broke down, we moved towards the downside. We break out towards the upside of a typical reversal pattern of a falling wedge. After that, we're seeing a bullish divergence on the MACD and RSI playing out. This is, of course, the trades that we would like to take here, and that is the reason why I announced to everyone that was opening a trade over there. So absolutely beautiful, like you can see over here. I was already announcing it on my Twitter page several times here. Ethereum is still trading in this beautiful falling wedge here. A breakout is going to be imminent right now here. You could for sure take a trade on this towards the upside. I will be right now analyze Bitcoin to determine if I will be trading this, and after that, of course, I was making an update here. Update video here, Ethereum target reveals, and after that here I told you about it, and I think I as well told everyone over here that I was opening a trade about that here, that I opened a trade about that as well in the stream here. press this for a live stream, and then of course I told everyone I opened a long position on Ethereum, and I will discuss everything in the live stream. And that of course was the previous live stream that we did here. We broke out, and right now of course we are creating the follow through, and we're even pumping further up here. This trade is absolutely going to go nuts here, guys. Make sure that you're going to check it out here. Make sure that you're going to follow us, because right now I will be heading out here. I have to head out, unfortunately, but I have to head out to get my dinner here. And I have some appointments set right now here, and I could not be missing out here. So guys, make sure that you're going to subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you're going to follow me here on Twitter, and as well, make sure to follow me here on Instagram if you don't want to be missing out on all the very important updates that we are going to give to you guys on all these platforms. So guys, thank you so much once again for watching this amazing Lambo soon. Yeah, indeed, guys. But thank you so much once again for watching this amazing update video here on this channel, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in once again, and I will say peace out.